Did you know that incorporating just a cup of edamame beans into your diet can slash your risk of heart disease by up to 12%? These vibrant green pods are not just a trendy appetizer. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Yet astonishingly, 85% of people are missing out on these incredible health benefits. Don't be part of that statistic. Transform your health and invigorate your meals by embracing the edamame revolution today. Start adding these nutrient-dense beans to your diet now and feel the difference. Edamame beans are young, green soybeans harvested before they fully ripen and are a staple in East Asian cuisine. Renowned for their nutritional benefits and versatile use in dishes, edamame beans can be enjoyed in various ways. They can be steamed or boiled and seasoned with salt for a simple, tasty snack. Added to salads, soups, and stews for extra protein and texture, or blended into dips and spreads to enhance their flavor and nutritional value. Unlock a treasure trove of health benefits by incorporating edamame beans into your diet. A simple change that can significantly boost your nutritional intake and enhance your overall well-being. Here are 10 main health benefits of edamame beans. Rich in protein. Edamame beans are an excellent source of high-quality plant protein, essential for muscle building and repair. Heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in edamame can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Bone health. High in calcium and magnesium, edamame beans support strong and healthy bones, helping to prevent osteoporosis. Weight management. Their high fiber and protein content can help you feel full longer, aiding in weight control and reducing overeating. Anti-inflammatory properties. Edamame contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Rich in vitamins and minerals, edamame is packed with vitamins K and C, folate, and essential minerals, supporting overall health. Aids digestion. The fiber in edamame helps promote healthy digestive function and prevents constipation. Blood sugar control. Edamame's low glycemic index and high fiber content can help regulate blood sugar levels, beneficial for managing diabetes. Supports skin health. The antioxidants in edamame can help protect the skin against damage from UV rays and pollution. Immune system boost. The nutrients found in edamame, including vitamin C and iron, play a crucial role in boosting the immune system and warding off illnesses. Embrace the power of edamame and revolutionize your health journey with these nutrient-packed gems. Whether you're looking to enhance your protein intake, support heart health, or simply add a burst of flavor to your meals, edamame beans are the versatile superfood you need. Don't let this green powerhouse pass you by. Dive into the world of edamame and discover a vibrant path to wellness. Are you ready to transform your diet and unlock the myriad benefits of edamame? Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening health tips and recipes. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite way to enjoy edamame or any questions you have about incorporating it into your diet. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts with a single bean. Make it edamame.